complete on the primary chassis integrity. Initiate analysis of environmental contaminants. Coordinate with the central grid for retrieval protocols. Structural integrity. Extensive damage detected. Left side crushed. Focus on the front wheel area. Check chassis integrity.
Hold it there! The chassis is twisting. Increase tension slowly. Watch the rigging. Steady. Watch the left side.
The rear suspension is completely compromised.
Document that.
Checking the driver's side pillar.
Be careful of the glass.
Ramps engaging. Watch the rear clearance. Clear. Weight shift initiated.
All right, team. Watch the hydraulics on the transfer.
Got it. The tablet reports show the rear axle has zero integrity.
Coming back, nice and easy now. Straight back, you're clear on the left. Hold it right there.
Check the rear left support point.
It's secure. Engaging hydraulics now.
The bumper reinforcement is off.
Scan the barcode and put it on rack C.
Make sure those hinge bolts go into tray 7.
Got it. The fender liner clips are here.
Okay, the hinges are clear, ready to lift on 3. Got it. Watch the alignment guide pins. Driver side rear is ready for extraction.
Okay, exterior panels confirmed removed. Front bumper logged.
Roger that. Tools are staged for the interior phase.
Corrosion on the floor pan is extensive. Documented. We need to label these roof components clearly before they go to staging.
Front assembly is loose. Take it down. Roger. Steady now. Look at this weld seam near the B pillar. It's completely cracked through.
Yes, I see it. The AI reconstruction model will need to account for this severe distortion.
Check the weld seam here. It's completely cracked.
Got it. Adding that to the assessment log immediately.
Check the rocker panel alignment against the schematic. It's within 2 millimeters of factory specification here.
Alignment on the front right is stabilizing.
Confirmed. The adjustments are holding steady at 0.7.
Hold it right there. Let me get a measurement. Got it. The roof line is matching the specs.
Structural points confirmed on the checklist. The chassis alignment is perfect, ready for primer prep. Weld finishing looks good on the rocker panel. Measurements on the door are within tolerance. All right, let's mark this section for additional prep before paint.